Is your Dodge Charger key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video shows you how to easily replace the battery in your 2015-2023 Dodge Charger, including Hellcat and SRT models. Replacing the battery yourself saves time and money compared to a dealership visit. The standard CR2032 battery costs only a few dollars. The 2015-2023 Dodge Charger key fobs, including Hellcat and SRT models, use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is a widely available battery type. You can purchase it at most drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores like AutoZone, or online retailers like Amazon. A pack of batteries typically costs $25. You only need a few simple tools. First, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The plastic tool is preferred to prevent scratches on your key fob. Second, the new CR2032 battery. Finally, an optional keyring opener can make detaching the fob from your keyring easier. Locate the seam on the key fob. This is usually a small notch or groove running along the edge. Insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the plastic clips inside. Once the fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the old battery. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive plus side usually faces up. Gently pry the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Sometimes, if the battery was completely dead, the key fob may need to be reprogrammed to sync with the vehicle. Start by cycling the ignition. Insert the key and turn it to the on position 8 to 10 times within 10 seconds for SRT models. For Hellcat and SRT models, ensure the fob is within 5 to 10 feet of the vehicle during programming. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific programming instructions for your model year. If the fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, first double-check the battery orientation. The positive side should face up. Make sure the battery is brand new and has sufficient voltage. Old or weak batteries may not provide enough power. Consider cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with a cotton swab to remove any corrosion or debris. If the fob still doesn't work after these steps, consult a dealership or professional locksmith for further diagnosis. To extend battery life, avoid exposing the fob to extreme temperatures or moisture, which can cause premature battery drain. Consider applying dielectric grease to the battery contacts to prevent corrosion and improve conductivity.